Run me a video. Walmart likes to be on the news. They let that man shoot the Hispanic people up in El Paso, girl. And now they won't give me my money back. They didn't stop that white woman. Didn't stop her at all. But stopped me and asked for a receipt. I'm tired of this. You're going to stop doing this. I am at Walmart on Keel Avenue. I would stop going outside of the doors.
Ma'am.
Ask for a receipt. They see the bags inside of my container.
Ma'am.
And humiliated me in front of everyone. I just want my money back.
Hi, I'm Officer Withers from the Sherwood Police Department. The reason I'm contacting you is because I was advised you were making a scene here in the store.
I asked for my money back. I asked for a refund. No one has the right to disrespect me.
All right, but you don't have the right to refuse me.
It doesn't matter.
Where's your ID at?
It doesn't matter.
Yes,
I asked for a refund.
Ma'am, where's your ID?
You can arrest me, sir. This has all been on camera.
Are you refusing us? My camera is on as well, like per policy. So are
Can
you
I have my
refusing your
refund?
ID?
Go ahead and give me my refund.
I
spent. I'm not trespassing. You watched, right?
Ma'am.
That's fine. Go ahead. Get my lawyer on the phone, Scott Skull. Here, call him. That's fine. That's fine.
Just step out.
Woo! This is the biggest lawsuit Walmart or Sherwood Police Department will ever see in their life. Call your father, let him know. That's fine. Get my car keys out. Get my wallet and everything. Please stop grabbing me that hard. I have cancer. I have had cancer.
By policy, I
I
have
have
to
had
out
cancer.
the store.
I have had cancer, sir, and I'm dealing with wasting syndrome. As
Right.
you can tell, I barely weigh 100 pounds. So if you're grabbing
As
me,
you can see,
if you're grabbing, now you lifted up your hand.
Please walk with me.
I will walk with you, but you don't have to pull on me. Y'all like it? Come on with this camera. Hurry up.
I got you, Mom.
Follow me. And I'm in handcuffs. I haven't stolen anything. I have a receipt right there for $103. You see this?
Yeah.
I never refused. I said I want my refund. At the end of the day, they have to give me my money back.
Please stand in front of the car.
I'm right here. No, I got you. I'm right here. Yeah.
Why are you still pulling me?
Because I'm taking you back to my back seat.
Okay. So what? What am I being held under arrest for?
You are being arrested for refusing to provide a certificate.
Let's go. Let's go. Pat me down. Let's go. Let's go. Why are you patting me down and not a female officer? I would like a female officer to test me. Thank you.
What's everybody?
Make sure you post this on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. The badge number is 75.
I'm not even officer.
Officer Witherspoon.
Yes, correct.
You have my receipt in your hand. He refused to give me my money. He did not stop the Caucasian lady. He stopped the African American woman and asked for a receipt. As you see, the bags were in the basket. You can see the bag visible. All you have to do is open your eyes. Do not speak to the officers. I have not given you permission to speak to anyone. You have driver's license, you have ID. As soon as they put me in the car, follow us over to the police department and record. This is the easiest lawsuit I've ever won. He left married on the phone as well. Randy Davis, every boyfriend shaker in the South, get them on the phone. It's in my wallet, the same place I was trying to put the lady my debit card to give me back my money. You put me in handcuffs now, go ahead and take me down. You put me in handcuffs. That's fine. Put me in handcuffs. Put me in handcuffs. You told me you were going to arrest me for trespassing, and all I asked was, didn't he say that on the camera? It's on the camera. It's on the camera. He's lying.
So mom is getting arrested because we walked out of Walmart with our receipt and our bags in the bucket. They didn't stop this white woman before us, and so now she's in handcuffs, and we're at Walmart in Sherwood. Because they saying she's trespassing, she's causing a scene, but she's really mad because they checked the white woman. They didn't check the white woman before us. She walked out with a bag. We walked out with totes and bags and size of totes, and they say, oh, let me see your receipt, as if we're stealing. And so she's like, no, you know what? Forget this. The AP been following us around the whole store. I want my money back. And she was asking for what's the manager called that's over the store? Like what you used to do? The store manager? The head manager? Yeah, she was asking for that. Apparently the manager, whoever he is, was like, well, I'm the manager. I'm going to handle this. I don't have to call a manager up here if you're acting like this. And so he basically wouldn't call.